EasyAntiCheat error is blocking your game. Here are all the fixes, step by step. Let's get your game running.
Fix 1. Repair EasyAntiCheat. Open File Explorer and navigate to C Drive, Program Files, x86, EasyAntiCheat. Right-click on EasyAntiCheat Setup and run it as administrator. Select your game from the drop-down menu, then click Repair Service. Wait for the confirmation message and restart your computer.
Fix 2. Check the EasyAntiCheat service. Press Windows key plus R, type Services MSC, and press Enter. Find EasyAntiCheat in the list and double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. Then click Apply and OK.
Fix 3. Verify game files on Steam. Open Steam, go to your library, and right-click the affected game. Click Properties, then go to the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to complete.
Fix 4. Verify game files on Epic Games. Open Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Click the 3 dots below your game. Select Manage, then click Verify.
Fix 5. Update Windows. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, especially cumulative and security updates. Restart your computer when prompted.
Fix 6. Disable Core Isolation. Open Windows Security and click Device Security. Under Core Isolation, click Core Isolation Details. Toggle Memory Integrity to Off. Warning, this reduces security. Re-enable it after confirming EAC works. Restart your PC.
Fix 7. Add EasyAntiCheat to Windows Defender Exclusions. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Exclusions and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Add the EasyAntiCheat folder from Program Files x86 and also your game's EasyAntiCheat folder.
Fix 8. Reinstall Visual C++ Redistributable. Go to Microsoft's official download page. Download both the x64 and x86 versions. Install them as administrator and restart your computer. Fix 9. Run SFC and DSM system file repair. Open Command Prompt as administrator. First, run DISM with the Restore Health command. Wait for it to complete. Then run SFC/scanow. If corrupt files are found and repaired, restart your computer.
Fix 10. Clean reinstall of EasyAntiCheat. Delete the EasyAntiCheat folder from Program Files x86. Optionally remove the registry key from HKey Local Commanded Services. Verify your game files to re-download EAC, then run the setup as administrator, and click Install. Restart your computer.
Why does this happen? EAC errors are usually caused by corrupted files, Windows update conflicts, antivirus interference, core isolation blocking the kernel driver, a disabled service, or missing Visual C++ dependencies. Tip: keep Windows updated to prevent most EAC errors.
Problem solved. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.